As you all know, this is a video series where we are in the process of development of our own power supply based on flyback converter, which will be rated at 12 volt 1 ampere. In the video prior to this, we developed a Simulink model of flyback converter and saw the role of output capacitance and blocking diode. In today's video, we will develop a complete design for the 12 volt adapter on paper, which will have all the components with exact values and specifications. PI Expert Suite is a tool that provides the complete design for various power converters. The link for this tool is provided in the description below. Let us go to the suite. It opens with such a wizard. From the home screen, let us select Create New Design. In this screen, we will have to select the specifications of the power supply with a simple drop-down menu. We intend to develop a general purpose power adapter, so we will select the same in Applications menu. Our output power is 12 volt, so let us select the appropriate range. The input type will be universal, which means that the supply will operate on 85 volt AC to 25 volt AC input voltage, having 50 Hz or 60 Hz line frequency. We only require one output. Also, we require isolation between AC input and DC output. Our supply will work in constant voltage mode, which means that the voltage will remain constant at 12 volt and the current will vary as per the load. Topology will be flyback, as we have stated earlier. In the high power factor and low total harmonic distortion, select any. Most importantly, we will select Tiny Switch 4 flyback in the left hand side. Power integration has a lot of controllers for power adapters, out of which the Tiny Switch 4 has an internal MOSFET rated at 700 volts. So now let us move ahead with the design by clicking PI Expert. In the next wizard, we are again asked certain specifications. For type of enclosure, we will keep open frame instead of a closed adapter, because if we select an open frame, then we can ensure better cooling of electronics. Here, for feedback type, we will select secondary TL431. Next wizard will ask us about the input parameters. Here, we will select universal type so that the adapter will work on 85 volt AC to 265 volt AC. The next wizard will ask us about the parameters that we would like to have for our output section. Here, we will select the desired output voltage that we would like to have in the output section. We will have to keep some tolerance for output voltage, which will be plus or minus 10%, and as we can see, the output voltage will range in between 13.2 volt and 10.8 volts. The output power of the adapter will be 12 watt, which will be capable of supplying 1 ampere maximum. In the next wizard of design settings, let us not change any parameters and press finish. In the solution filter wizard, we will select the core type EF20 from this menu. This is a type of transformer core. We have selected this because we have ample experience in working with this type of core. Selecting this core type in the core start section ensures that the PI Expert tool will try to prioritize the core EF20 and will see firsthand whether designs on this core are possible or not. Here it will show the first best 6 designs. Let us select the very first design and move ahead. Here we can see that the total design in the form of schematic is given. All the components with their ratings and connections are shown. Also, the design has been deemed passed by the proper optimization methods. If one likes to know all the components so that they can be ordered for the development purpose, then one needs to go to the BOM section, which is known as Bill of Materials. Under the transformer construction, we will find the complete details about the construction of the transformer. As we can see, the design has been based on the transformer type EF20. Our primary winding will be between pin 1 and pin 2, and 88T means 88 turns in the primary winding. The gauge of the wire is also given, which is number 31 of American wire gauge. Secondary winding is between pin 6 and pin 7 with 11 turns. Two parallel wires of the number 27 of American wire gauge, short for AWG, are taken. The direction of the winding, whether it is clockwise or counterclockwise, is also given here. The start of the winding for both primary and secondary is also given. Down here one can also find complete winding instructions. Also, the type of the materials that are to be used is also given here along with the electrical specifications. If you want to find the complete electrical parameters, then it can be found in design results. Let us save this design first. Our power supply will have many sections, namely rectifier unit to convert input AC voltage to low voltage DC, input pi filter, tiny switch controller, snubber circuit, high frequency transformer, output rectifier and filter, and feedback section. We will see all these sections thoroughly in upcoming videos. This much will be for today, guys. In the next video, we will start with various sections of the flyback converter, one at a time. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment if you have any query regarding the topic. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others.